Here comes the dog. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my God. I got screwed up here. Whoa. Oh, hungry fish. Oh, I see. I scared it. I scared it. Oh, it's back. It's on it. It's happening. It's happening, guys. Oh, smell it. Trout. Get the dog out. Get the dog out. Trout. Ooh. Safety. Trout. You gotta check the ice. Safety, number one. We're so pumped. Now I don't quite remember how to check the ice properly. Trout. I'm confident that the ice is gonna hold us. Whoa! We got one! Woo! Let's go! Baby! Oh my gosh! Look at this of the year. What a beaut. Just when I was drilling the hole, got him on the blue jig. Real quick, measure this girl up. 18. Back in the hole. Let's go, girl. My hands are so cold. So exciting. We've been probably been here about a couple hours now. Oh, I'm spitting while I speak. We're just running jigs. I'm jigging with the rod right here, and then on the jaw jacker I got a little Rapella, a number 6 I believe, just a little green and gray one. But oh, there's a fish on that. What am I doing? It's literally on my hip. Oh, we're gonna reel this guy up like this. He's on it. Oh my gosh, here comes the dog. She knows. She knows. It's there, man. Oh man, hungry fish. He's on it. Whoa! Let's go! Woo! Here comes the dog. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my God! I got screwed up here. Whoa! Dang! Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Jess, no. Get out of here. Oh, what a freaking beauty. Man, they're swallowing these jigs right now. Oh, we gotta weigh this girl real quick. Freaking jigs. Holy. You guys gotta wet it real quick. You gotta wet the... Jess, look out. You gotta wet it for the fish doesn't stick. If you guys don't know, real quick. It's enough, Jess. 19. What a beauty. Oh, woo! Put her back, let's go. And if you guys remember, when we ice fish, Jessica comes because we'll watch her. She will watch that hole. Like if you guys, the last fish we just caught, as soon as that dings, as soon as the jacker goes up, she is running. Like, look at her right now. Her eye's not looking, as soon as I say that, making us look bad. She will constantly watch the hole, especially when I start screaming. She runs to the hole so freaking quick because she knows we got a fish on. It's freaking awesome. That's why she can come ice fishing, but she cannot come for open water because you jump in the water and scare the fish. Oh, this is it, guys. This is the trout gourmet meal. That's it. Crushing it. One fish, 10 hours. Snack time. My meat tastes like fish. I I'm fishing, leave me alone. Yeah, I got 2 nice ones so far, but I'm putting them all back today. Oh, hungry fish. Oh, I see, I scared it. I scared it. Oh, it's back. It's on it. It was there. The whole flasher was red. It's back, it's back, it's back, it's back, it's back, it's back, it's back. He's chasing it. He's chasing it. We got one. Yes! We got another one. And there comes the dog. She knows. She knows. Oh. Check it out, Jess. Holy moly, baby. Another beautiful, whoa, looking lady here, guys. Freaking jigging all day long. What do you think, Jess? Oh yeah, lick her. She's pretty. Oh, love it. Let's go. Here you go, girl. Woo! Oh, this is not exciting at all. It's boring. Come here, girl. Sit. Good. Sit. Good girl. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the first video. I had a blast. 3 amazing trout. First time out, first ice, early ice, 2021. So excited. If you guys want to see my dog, come here, get back in shot. You gotta make it look good. Don't edit it. You guys want to see my dog some more? This is the only time she gets to come fishing. She doesn't come to open water. She scares the fish, but she can come ice fishing every time. So if you like my dog, smash like, subscribe. See you next time.